LMSolutions presents. Have you ever felt stressed and wished for a quick relaxation technique? Stress. It's a word that's all too familiar in today's fast-paced, high-pressure world. It's like an unwelcome guest that shows up uninvited, wreaking havoc on our mental and physical health. But what if there was a way to show this guest the door? Enter the world of progressive muscle relaxation. This is not just another wellness buzzword. It's a scientifically proven method that has been helping millions to reduce stress and promote relaxation. It's like having a personal off switch for your stress, a way to tell your body and mind, hey, it's time to relax. Imagine being able to lower your stress levels at will, to invite tranquility into your life whenever you need. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, it doesn't have to be. Join us as we delve into the progressive muscle relaxation technique. So, what exactly is progressive muscle relaxation? Well, progressive muscle relaxation, or PMR for short, is a relaxation technique that involves systematically tensing and then releasing different muscle groups in the body. Picture it as a workout for your muscles, but instead of building bulk, you're cultivating relaxation. PMR was developed by an American physician named Edmund Jacobson in the early 20th century. Jacobson believed that mental calmness is directly related to physical relaxation. He held the view that when the body is free of tension, the mind will naturally follow suit. So he developed PMR as a method to reduce physical tension and promote mental calmness. In PMR, you start by focusing on a specific muscle group, say your hands, for example. You tense that muscle group for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then release the tension, letting that muscle group relax. You then move on to the next muscle group, following the same process. By moving through the body in this way, you can promote overall physical and mental relaxation. But PMR isn't just about stress relief. It's also used in various fields like psychology and physiotherapy. In psychology, it's often used as a part of cognitive behavioral therapy to help individuals manage anxiety and stress. In physiotherapy, PMR can be used to help patients recover from injuries, as it can help to reduce muscle tension and promote healing. You see, when we're stressed, our bodies often respond by tensing our muscles. This can lead to muscle pain and discomfort. But by consciously relaxing our muscles, we can alleviate this tension and the associated pain. That's why PMR can be so beneficial. It's important to remember, however, that like any skill, PMR takes practice. It's not something you'll master overnight, but with time and patience, you can learn to use PMR to effectively manage stress and promote relaxation. Now that you understand what PMR is, it's time to learn how to do it. Ready to learn how to achieve relaxation through progressive muscle relaxation? Fantastic. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, it's crucial to find a serene and quiet location where you can sit or lie down undisturbed. This can be any place where you feel comfortable and safe, like your bedroom, a cozy corner in your living room, or even a peaceful outdoor spot. The goal is to create an environment where you can focus solely on your body without any external distractions. Now let's get into the actual process of progressive muscle relaxation. This technique involves two main steps: tensing and then releasing each of your major muscle groups. This allows you to become more aware of physical sensations and helps you distinguish between feelings of tension and relaxation. We're going to start from the bottom and work our way up, beginning with your toes. Curl them tightly as if you're trying to pick up a marble off the floor. Hold this tension for about 5 seconds, then slowly release and feel the warmth and relaxation flooding into your toes. Take a moment to notice the contrast between the tensed state and the relaxed state. Next, let's move on to your legs. Tighten your leg muscles by pushing your heels into the floor and pulling your toes towards you. Again, hold for 5 seconds before slowly releasing the tension. Feel the relaxation spread from your toes to your legs. Continue this process with your stomach and chest. Draw in a deep breath, hold it, and then exhale, releasing all the tension. Feel the relaxation spreading upwards, filling your torso. Now, let's focus on your hands. Clench your fists tightly, hold them for 5 seconds, then gradually release the tension. Allow the feeling of relaxation to extend from your fingertips all the way to your wrists and forearms. Next, we'll work on your arms. Tighten the muscles by drawing your forearms toward your shoulders to create a bicep curl. Hold this position briefly, then gently let the tension go. Feel the relaxation flow from your hands, up your arms, and into your shoulders. Moving up to your neck and face, squeeze your facial muscles together as though you're trying to make a prune face. Hold for a moment, then let go and allow your face to return to its relaxed state. Feel the relaxation seeping into your face, your jaw, your eyes, and your forehead. Lastly, we'll focus on the muscles at the top of your head. Raise your eyebrows as high as they can go, hold for a moment, then release. Let the relaxation spread from your face to the top of your scalp. That's it. You've completed your first progressive muscle relaxation session. It's normal at first to feel like you're not doing it right or to have trouble focusing. But with practice, you'll get better at recognizing tension in your body and knowing how to release it. Remember, the goal isn't to completely eliminate tension, but to become more aware of it so you can manage it better. That's it. You've just completed your first progressive muscle relaxation session. Looking for ways to make your progressive muscle relaxation sessions even more effective? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into some tips and tricks that can help you enhance your PMR practice. Firstly, consistency is key. Like learning a musical instrument or mastering a new language, the benefits of PMR are most evident when you practice regularly. Set aside dedicated time each day for your PMR sessions. It doesn't have to be a huge chunk of time. Even 10 to 15 minutes can make a big difference. Secondly, focus on the sensation of relaxation during the release phase. This is when your muscles let go of all the tension they've been holding on to. It's a moment of release, of letting go. Feel the warmth and the heaviness spread throughout your muscles. This sensation is your body's way of saying, I'm relaxed, I'm at ease. Now, let's talk about visual imagery. This is a powerful tool that can enhance your PMR practice. As you tense and release your muscles, imagine that you're squeezing a lemon and then letting go of it. Or picture a wave of relaxation washing over your body, carrying away all your stress and tension. Visual imagery can make your PMR sessions more engaging and effective. Another tip is to use a soft, soothing voice to guide your sessions. You can record your own voice or use an app that provides guided PMR sessions. The tone and pace of the voice can greatly affect your relaxation experience. Lastly, remember to be patient with yourself. It's normal to find it difficult to relax at first. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. PMR is a skill, and like any skill, it takes time to master. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a PMR pro. Wondering what benefits you can expect from regular PMR practice? Let's delve into the myriad of advantages that progressive muscle relaxation offers. Firstly, it serves as a remarkable stress buster. By focusing on tensing and relaxing each muscle group, you wash away the day's stressors, creating a calming effect. Secondly, it promotes better sleep. PMR is known to combat insomnia, helping you drift off into a peaceful slumber. But that's not all. It also enhances concentration. When your mind isn't cluttered with stress, you can focus better, achieving more in less time. Lastly, it can help lower blood pressure, contributing to overall heart health. To recap, progressive muscle relaxation involves tensing and then relaxing each muscle group, starting from your toes and working your way up to your head. This simple yet effective technique can seamlessly integrate into your daily routine, providing immense benefits. Remember, the key to stress relief is in your hands. With progressive muscle relaxation, you have a powerful tool to help you relax and unwind. Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, we would love to hear from you. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Your engagement not only motivates us, but also helps others find these resources. This journey doesn't end here, though. We have a carefully curated playlist titled Serenity in Motion, Smooth Relaxing Meditation. It's the perfect accompaniment to your progressive muscle relaxation practice, with calming and serene music to further enhance your relaxation experience. We believe in the power of relaxation and want to help you create the perfect environment for your mind and body to unwind. So feel free to explore our other videos and playlists. Remember, relaxation is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. Before we sign off, remember to hit the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our future videos. Until then, keep relaxing, keep exploring, and don't forget to breathe. See you in the next video.